Ecuador is on the top of the biodiversity in the world. We start a program of collaboration between Ohio State University and the Catholic University and INIAP, and the goal of the program is to study this kind of insects, namely Macrodactylus. We translate in English Macrodactylus with long legs. And also there is something very special because they attack the crops of the poor people. So it's kind, when you study, when we make some agreement with Ohio State University, with INIAP, with Catholic University, it's a kind of missionary work. Means we must work to help poor people with very few reward for us as money, but with a great reward for poor people because so they can save the crop.
The maize is the crop of the people, especially for the pure man. Dr. Honore and Catholic University help us, especially is in morphology and about the biology of the pest. They help us. And we are working like INIAP, we are working in the fields with farmers. And Ohio State helped us with the research that was doing about Rose Sheffer. If you develop some research, I think that this kind of research could apply in our country.
Entonces estamos seguros que con estas nuevas alternativas que ustedes ya han probado en Estados Unidos, en la Universidad de Ohio, vamos a validar aquí con los productores para tener respuestas apropiadas para ellos. Y esperamos que ustedes sigamos ahí, nos visiten otra vez, vengan, que acá los agricultores están deseosos de participar y de aprender.
En esta comunidad somos unas 57 familias y en las 57 familias todos somos afectados por esta plaga, la cual pues deseamos tener algo de que podamos eliminar para tener mejor cosecha.
And the goal is to study first the systematics, the name of each species. We have hundreds of species of Melodontine. Second is to study biology of each species. And finally, that's the very special goal, is to find some chemical to attract the adults for the control of the pest. Because in the country they use all kinds of insecticides.
No hay cultivo que se exceptúen del ataque de los abacuros. Por supuesto, esto entre los agricultores está produciendo una pérdida que supera 30-40% de la cosecha en general, y es una situación que está produciendo en la parroquia dificultades de su economía. La gente no tiene para educar a sus niños, no tiene para vestir, no tiene para cuidar de su salud. En definitiva, está llevándonos a un nivel de pobreza no aceptable.
People need to eat today, not tomorrow. So maybe one solution is in the education. Is the reason because myself, I am involved in education, to invest in education, to prepare new young people like Carolina to preserve, to understand first the richness, second to preserve and to have some solution.
Dr. Honore say the truth because the young students are beginning to study in insects. They are worried about the biodiversity and the animals in extinction.
And the students that are involved, because tomorrow they will be some Minister of Agriculture, who knows? Will be some scientist doing research in the university, or maybe they will be some boss in the INIAP. So the university prepare the technician and the scientist for the society.
La gente nos colabora igual en la zona de San José de Minas. Saben que estamos haciendo un trabajo importante que les va a favorecer a ellos a futuro, ya sea con un control biológico, un control etológico. Va a salir alguna alternativa de control, porque se ha probado que el control químico no funciona, o funciona muy bajo, no se justifica hacer el control químico. y vemos que a futuro las tendencias es a eliminar todo tipo de control químico y nos vamos por el control natural, ¿no? Como el control biológico.
La gente siembra mucho maíz, prácticamente es una zona donde se cultiva solo maíz, prácticamente, no sé si un 60-70% del área total, ¿no? Pero entonces la gente está muy interesada porque esta plaga les daña tremendamente el cultivo de maíz, acaba con el cultivo de maíz. Hay gente que, aunque en algunos lados hemos visto que la gente dice que daña un 30-40%, hay gente que nos dice que acaba hasta con el 80%, eso nos han dicho a nosotros. Entonces nos parece alarmante la situación y la gente nos ha querido ayudar, nos están apoyando bastante.
But the humans, they need it. So, my brother, Macrodactylus, please don't reproduce too much. Wait, because we need to eat. So, I agree with Ohio State University to prepare the future of the country and improving the knowledge of the students, preparing new technician, new engineer, new biologist, a new technician for the future, for preserving and for understanding better the biodiversity we have.